Now is the time when we slowly begin the process of going within. We just let go of the day, all the comings and goings. And maybe if it's helpful, you can take a deep breath in and let it go. Maybe do that one more time. Take a deep breath in and let it go. And I invite you to welcome in Spirit. Just do that in your own way. Whether you say, "Hi, God." Maybe it's a song that you hear in the music. Maybe you just envision this white light coming down, surrounding you and surrounding everybody in the room. Whatever it takes for you to welcome in Spirit. And really feel it. Just know that Spirit is here. Know that there's nothing missing. That everything that we need is here now. All the love, joy, laughter, healing. It's all here. And I invite you to take it even deeper. Just slow down a little bit more. Just take it in a little bit more. Feel connected a little bit more. And if you really push yourself, you can actually feel yourself connecting with everybody in this room. And know that as we do that, the room gets filled with more and more light and more love. When we can let God flow through us, it touches everybody around us. And so just imagine this entire room being filled with the love of God, with the beauty of God. You are being held by the hands of God right now. Relax into that. Trust into that. And know that you are worthy to receive it. As you slowly take it in, just allow that love to go out to anywhere that you'd like to send it. Family, to friends, to crying babies. It's all part of the divine, folks. And when you sit in this space of silence, you can send it anywhere that you want. And just know that where two or more are gathered, in the midst I will be, were the words of Jesus. And we can send that anywhere, any place. we choose. And we can also ask for help and support with things that we're going through. So just imagine we're in this great big cloud of God's love. And together we can do amazing things. We can send this love to Russia and Ukraine. We can send this love to Israel and Palestine. We can send this love to India and Pakistan. And all over the world. In fact, just imagine that the entire world is being surrounded now by our love. And imagine Mother Earth receiving this love that we send her as well. And anywhere else you would like to send it, go ahead and do that now. And then maybe just take one more minute to imagine that Spirit has a gift for you. Could be a word, could be a picture, whatever it is, just imagine receiving a gift from Spirit. Let it come, let it come, let it come. And now maybe we just take a moment just to say thank you, thank you, thank you, Spirit, for being in our lives, for sharing all of your love and all the gifts, those that we know and those that we don't. We are so, so blessed, and we are so grateful for everything in our lives.